You know the vibes. We got Niecy on the track.
Good morning. What's shaking with y'all, man? It is top of the morning. Right over there, you kind of see sunlight cracking, but you know I'm up and at 'em. This video starts out kind of abruptly. You kind of are like, what's happening? Who's this? Who's that? It's gonna be very apparent as to what's going on as soon as you get a minute into the video. This is unplanned. It just happened. So you guys are about to see good vibe and some joy happen. Give this video a thumbs up. I hope y'all subscribe, man. Good vibes only. That's what this channel's all about. And let's do work. Ah, this is so entertaining to me. It's going like 40 though. Why is it riding? He's not even on it. Hey, cuz, that thing do a wheelie, cuz? We lit, cuz. This is so entertaining to me. This was worth the price of it to be entertained like this. Bend the corner, drag some knee, blood. Bend that corner. Put that knee out. Look at him put that knee out, cuz. That's what you do on scooters. You mob through the hood. Yeet. Yeet. Let's get your dumb ass out the road. This nigga beastin'. So I make absolutely the most asinine decisions. I couldn't pass this up because the price was all the way right. Bought from a tow yard. It's an 08 50cc two-stroke, but it has a kickstand that's a mount. So you gotta get off, hop off. Come on this side. And you know, when you enter the bike life game, you're gonna understand shoes like that you don't wear. Mm-hmm. So you put your foot in front of the kickstand, mm-hmm, and you roll the bike forward.
But I also wasn't prepared to do this.
I know. So bike is on. Hold on. Step off. Bike is on. You gotta hold the brake. And this is your kickstart. Stomp down.
Kickstart life right there.
Put your Kickstarter back in.
Light movements. You go to turn, it turns.
Yeah, so it's the brakes, that's your back one, like just like a bicycle.
It's like that. Let off the clutch.
There's no clutch. Brake, brake. Both of these are brakes. Pull them lightly, and that's your gas. Just go down there and back. Right there. See, what y'all don't know is I bought that for him. He don't know it yet. The fuck I want with a little, I mean, they're fun. Like, this is gonna be pit vehicle for show. You like it? So you bike life now, cuz? Go back down the sidewalk and pull up right here.
Oh, I thought you
No. And use your front brake. Use your front brake.
I didn't even know which one was the front. I think it was the right one.
No. You trying to tune, cuz? Boogie better watch out. All right, put it back over there. Back, walk it back, yeah. All right, so your engine keel. Yep, no, yeah. Done. Now, I gotta show you how to put it on the kickstand. So hop off, stand beside it. So you see it right under the engine, right here. Mm-hmm. Now you put it right down there, and you yank it, you set it up on it. You're gonna have to practice that. But
you see that part that's nailed up there? There's the nail.
So if it sits like this, you just do this.
Oh, so you just basically pull the rear.
Yeah. It's a bike stand. You like it?
Yeah.
What you think about it though?
Take this around the pits. When you actually pull it,
But you like it though? You think this will be fun?
Yeah. Top miles an hour.
All right, well, this is yours.
Really?
Yeah.
Just give me a what?
What I'm gonna do with it?
I don't know. I got it right now.
A Yamaha. Can't be nothing less, man. So,
Little bike rides. Oh,
yeah, so you got
Mini
yourself.
bike
There you go.
Thank you. Got the bike there.
Yeah. Go. I knew that was gonna happen. I knew you were gonna do it. I just got in position. No,
You want me on it?
you have to learn how to do these things, man. You just go. It's like just riding up a driveway. Go. 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 There you go. Yes, you were, nigga. Jaylen. No, you didn't. You got the whiskey throttle into the back of the truck. You remember what I was saying? As you get it down there, get it down, push it down with your foot, and then hike the bike up. Yep, that's how you do it. Yeah. Pull the cage up and back. Yeah, there you go. Keep going.
It's a heavy bike.
It's not heavy. This is maybe 150 pounds, but there. Yeah, I knew he was going down.
That's not safe.
That's fine. You're good. All right.
A few moments later.
I'm just follow you. You just ride it like a bicycle, man. It's exactly what you think it is. Just ride, man. We ride. I don't want you worried about you. Yeah, don't be overzealous on them brakes. And I want you to use your front brake more than your back right now, because I want you to get used to rolling off of the throttle. So when you roll off the throttle and go to the brake, it's just a loosen your hand. You're on throttle, you loosen it and then touch the brake. So you're not doing any more hand movements than just opening your hand up and moving it, your two fingers up to the brake lever. So don't even worry about that back brake. Your braking is that front brake. So we're going slow, and that's all you get. Go how fast you want. I'm right with you. Remember, lean into the turn. Lean them shoulders in, lean them over. As you're going, yeah, lean your body off towards the curve. You got it. Ride it like it's a bicycle. Lean in more. Just make sure the turn is tight. Lean more. Don't ever go that wide on the turn. Gas it. Lean in left. This is a constant left turn. Have fun, but stay vigilant. So let off of the throttle. Let off. Let it coast. Just let it coast. You ain't got to brake. Just let it coast. And we're going to turn in on the park right here. And we're going to go up and around in the park the same way we do. Oh, a little fast. Lean tight. Yeah. You want to make sure you slow down before you enter a corner. Just follow me. I'm going to show you what I want you to do with your shoulders, okay? Come on. Okay, so when we're going, this is what I want to see. I want to see this. You don't have to do too much of it, but I want to see this. See, the body starts, the bike goes. Body starts, the bike goes. Okay? Alright, now I don't have good headlights. I can't see, so come on. I can't see it all. Go ahead, full throttle, nigga. Good. And like put your right knee off, turn in, try to get the curve. Don't even let off the brake, let off the brake. All right, and now just coast into a stop right here. Yeah, if you drag the brake on this, you're gonna scrub. Do not drag brakes, full stop. Never drag brakes on these bikes, okay? Okay. Go home. Yeah, go to the house. Slow it down more. You went in a little too hot. We don't do that, man. When I'm telling you, slow down for the turn. This ain't no show off. You're not showing off to me. I don't give a fuck what you think you're doing. I want safety, you understand? So we're not going in the corners hot like that. You hear me? That's not the vibe. You slow it down and you make it. Until you can turn that thing properly, you don't go in the corners hot. You slow it down and cruise into the corner. You understand? Now this is where you can keep your hand over the back brake. All right, it's the sun finally cresting the hills over there in the backside of the bay. You see the traffic building up. This video was just such a spur of the moment. It was all on the phone because, like I said, nothing was planned. I was super glad to share this. Jaylen was sitting behind me as we're driving around the city because I took him out there as I got this idea. So I'm driving around the city. He's on his laptop doing his school, his Zoom meeting for school. And I know he was probably sitting back there hella confused. My wife keeps asking me questions because it was such a spur of the moment. She's like, what are we doing? Where are we going? Chill. I'm trying to do something that I don't even know what I'm doing. You know what I mean? So it was a great experience. Just mobbed around. My boy just got off work. He helped me go get the bike. He was just goon riding it, which was hilarious to me. And then, boom, Jaylen said he liked it. There you go. Have at it, little man. So, you know, I hope y'all did enjoy the good vibe. It was super random, so it was all handheld on the phone, actually, you know, not camera. But the ride when we got to the house, I didn't grab my actual vlogging helmet cam. I just grabbed one of the cameras and threw it on. So I didn't have the mic in and it was angled a little bit off. But we're going to get a first ride. I just wanted Jaylen to experience it because he asked me, hey, when we get home, if there's still some sunlight, can we ride? So because I told him he could, I just gave him the opportunity to just ride it around a little bit. But we're gonna ride it again for sure. Gonna give him a mic and a camera and everything, and then we're gonna go ahead and get an actual first ride. So stay tuned for that. It should be pretty fun. Yeah, he's ridden dirt bikes before. Yeah, he's ridden my motorcycle before in parking lots, but it's nothing like getting the ability to navigate through the neighborhoods and the street on an actual street legal motorcycle. He's so hyped about it. He's just got everything to be excited about because this is going to be something for him to grow on. Plus the fact that it's a two-stroke and he gets to learn about two-strokes performance versus a four-stroke, which he's already rode the 125 dirt bike that was a four-stroke, and this is a little 50cc two-stroke that goes as fast as the 125 four-stroke. So I'm gonna get to explain to him the difference between the two-stroke and a four-stroke and everything, and then we're gonna modify it once he gets comfortable with it. So stay tuned for that. This is the beginning of something pretty dope. Like I said, this is the King's Experience. I hope you guys subscribe, give a like, thumbs up, man, because this is a journey for something that I get to share with my son. So the cars and the bikes, he's going to be well versed in. So as we grow up, get them experiences, and we're going to be well-rounded individuals around here. So I'm going to get ready to go to work, man. And I hope y'all have a good day, man. Enjoy it. I'm out.